Hi, and welcome to today's tutorial where I will show you how to create a landing page on AuthorLetter using the custom page builder. Let's first familiarize ourselves with the different sections on screen. Way to the left, the menu will appear but minimized. Next to it is where you will be typing and selecting to create your page. Here you will spend most of your time. Here you will see the page being created, changed, and edited as you go. You'll see the elements you are adding and editing in the left section appear here in real time. Here at the bottom, you can switch between a desktop view of the page or a mobile view of the page. Now let's start creating. At the top of this section, you'll first find the Page section. Click on Page, and here you will see the page name you created, and also your page's URL prefix. For example, Self-Help Book. At the top you can see how the entire link will look like, selfhelpbook.authorletter.com. Next, click on Content. Here we will create your page. These are the different page sections. Selecting or unselecting a section will add or remove it from your landing page, and clicking on the pencil icon next to it will allow you to edit the page section. Let's start with the banner section. Click on the pencil icon. First, you can choose your background image. You can either click here to select one from your computer or select one from our image library. For this tutorial, I'm going to select one from our gallery. Click on Select Image from Library. At the top of the library, you can find different genre or type filters. Select those you would like to see to choose from. For example, I will be selecting from Nature and Aesthetics. Choose an image that you like and click on it to add it to your banner section. Now, write your page heading. This can be your author name, if it is an author page, or your book's title and subtitle. The title is written here, and the subtitle here. If you feel the text does not fit with the background you chose, you can always go back and choose a different background image and play around with them until you find your favorite. Next, you can click to add your first Buy My Books Here button. Select this box and the button appears. Add your book's link from Amazon here. If you want to change the text on the button, do it here. You can also choose to leave the buttons out. Next up is your About section. Click on the pencil icon next to it to edit it. First, you upload your book cover. Click on Upload Photo. Select your book cover or an author photo. I will be uploading a book cover. One of our book-specific features is to instantly apply a 3D mockup to your book cover. You can do this by clicking here. Next, we have to give this section a heading. Let's say, About the Book. And next, a description of the book or why the reader should subscribe to your newsletter. I have typed a description in Word and will simply copy and paste it from there. Here you can click to add another action button. Again, paste the link here to which you want the reader to be directed when clicking on the button. The next section is the subscription form. Click on the pencil icon to edit this section. Select the boxes of what info you want to ask from readers when subscribing to your newsletter. I am going to unselect contact number and last name and only ask for their first name. And as you can see to the right on the preview, the email addresses are always asked for. If you would like to be notified every time someone new subscribes to your newsletter, make sure this box here is checked. You can change the name of the section in this box. Next, you can add a video section if you have a book trailer or any other related video on YouTube. If you have a book trailer but it is not on YouTube, you can easily upload it to YouTube to make it possible to use here as well, as only YouTube links are accepted. Copy and paste this YouTube link here and the video will appear. Now give a name to the section. Next is the slider section. Click on the box to add the section. Give a heading to this section. I will say Other Books by Author As you can also see explained here, in this section you can either upload images and describe them, as I'm going to do now, or you can choose to only use the text to, for example, show reader reviews of your book. So here is the first slide. Click on Upload Photo to choose another book cover from your computer. Next, write a short description or just the title of the book. I will again copy and paste the two-liner description I have here. If this book is available on Amazon, make sure the action button is selected and paste the link in this box to direct readers to the book on Amazon when they click on it. If you have other books, click Add Slide and follow the same steps as for slide 1. I am going to add 3 slides for my 3 books. Now paste the description and here insert the action button. Now let's do the same for the third book slide exactly the same way. Then click Save Draft, just to make sure you don't lose any of the work done on this section. Next, you can scroll up again and find the Order button. Click on the Order button to arrange the sections as you prefer. For example, I want to move the subscription form to the bottom of the page. I'm going to click and hold to drag the section to the bottom of all other sections. Now, as you can see, the subscription form moved to the bottom of the page. Let's say I want to move it one up to above the slider section. I can easily do so again by dragging and dropping. Click the Done button when you are done ordering them. Next, at the top of your page, you can click on Theme. Here we can change the color and font of the page. You can also change the template here, but in this case it is not necessary. First, let's choose a font. Click here to browse through our different fonts and choose one most fitting to your book or genre. As you can see, the fonts change in all sections. Let's try another. And another. Yes, let's use this one. Now that I found a font that I like, I can choose a theme color. Here you can click on each group to try out the different colors. I think I would like this one. Again, at the bottom of the page, you can click at any time on the mobile or desktop view to change the preview of your page to see what it will look like from different devices. Now click Save Draft again. Go to the top of the page and publish your page. Click on the red slide button to do so. Now your page is published. Click on the link to view your published page. Copy the link to send to friends or to market your newsletter. And it's as easy as that. Now you know how to build your own beautiful landing page to attract those subscribers in just a few minutes.